once I was passing by the street and I saw this cycle in a scrap shop. Somebody had actually scrapped this cycle, good looking cycle, in a scrap shop. And I was like, I know about this brand. This brand is called MERIDA. It's actually an international brand. Let me just Google the model number of this. I just googled it quickly and I saw this cycle was costing around 50,000 rupees at the present moment. I was like, I was no way I'm going to leave this cycle here in the scrap shop. I quickly went to the shopkeeper and I asked him how much is the cycle worth. I'm going to pay it right away. He's like 500 rupees. I was like, okay, I'll pay. I think he double checked, and he was like, इतने में दे दूंगा तो I'll be in loss. He's like, somebody has already booked this cycle for 1,000 rupees. I said like, you know what? Keep this 1,000 rupees and keep this cycle for me. I quickly got the cycle home. I thought like I can just fix it all by myself. There are barely some problem in this cycle. Since it is already premium bicycle, everything was intact. It was actually fully aluminum body. There was no rust on the body at all. And I thought I could fix it. And there was problem in the tire tubes and brakes and the handlebar. That is the only problem, and the gear as well. So I tried fixing it. I took few parts and I tried fixing it. I did not have much time, so I took it to a proper cycle repair shop. And I told him, Bhaiya, get these tires, tubes and brakes fixed. The gears and handlebars, I'll get it done. So the next day I went to check in. The new tires were on and it looked beautiful. Pretty much everything was good. And I took it home. And the cycle, the only thing that I did not get was the cycle, the pole, the pole that on which the cycle seat sits. So I don't know what you call a rod, a cycle saddle rod. The saddle rod is the only thing that I did not get. It took me around 1 week to figure out there are actually different sizes in this rod. So this is the first time I knew, and this is the lesson learned. So after 1 week I got the post and I had the seat already. I had an old seat and I got it fixed and it was looking very, very good at this moment. The only thing that is remaining in this cycle is to replace the handlebar. I had old Trek Cycles handlebar and replaced it. Actually, the Trek Cycles handlebar actually cost more than this cycle itself. The Trek Cycles handlebar is around 3,000 rupees, and to fix this cycle costed me 1,000 rupees. Me around 3,000 rupees for the entire servicing, and so it was done in a pretty much very low price for this premium cycle. You can see how good it looks, and performance wise I am actually owning B-twin that costed me around 44,000 rupees, and this cycle actually beats that in the smoothness, in the performance. So I'm doing a giveaway of these two handlebars. These are old handlebars, but they are taken from my cycle. This is from the brand MERIDA. It is an international brand. This I'm giving away with this time, and this one, and this is a local one. But if somebody needs, someone's handle is broken or bent, they can use these two handles. And if you want, comments down below. All you have to do is comment down below, I want handlebar, and I will choose the lucky winner and give it to you for free. See you in the next video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. If anybody wants to work or collaborate with me in this cycle or any other thing, I've actually previously worked on the pallets as well. Do let me know in the comments down below. See you in the next video. I'm hoping at least 100 likes. Thank you. See you in the next video.